Wind gusts up to 40 miles. Advisory in effect from 7 p.m. Monday to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include North and Central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 7 p.m. Monday to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts: unsecured outdoor items may be blown around in the wind. Driving on area roadways may become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Minor tree limb damage is possible. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of at least 20 to 30 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Boaters should use extra caution when venturing onto area lakes. Residents may wish to take action to secure trash cans, lawn furniture, and other lightweight outdoor objects that may be blown around in the strong winds. The current time